Hey folks, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. This time I'm demonstrating my signature full system conversion. This is where I convert the radio and the 8-Track for optimum performance with each other. This comes from Mark in Newcastle, Indiana, and this equipment is out of a 1970 Olds 442, which I used to call a 442, but my customers are basically saying, hey kid, you want to die? It's a 442, not a 442. So this is out of an old 442. Just the basic FM conversion with a new harness for greatly increased output power, and of course we're going to demonstrate the 8-Track as well. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so we can adjust our virtual balance and fader during talk radio and not worry about copyright issues. So here we go. Okay. Virtual front rear fader.
Fox News on Jack County.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Sports by NBC.
All the way front.
The Biden family gathering in
rear.
Camp David this weekend
Front.
is to discuss whether to
Rear.
continue in the presidential
Okay, on the
race.
center.
Delaware Senator Chris Coons, the co-chair of the
Fader set.
telling ABC's
Left,
This
right,
Week.
balance.
Joe Biden has an incredible record.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
American people
All
do.
the way left.
When you get knocked
All the way
down,
right.
you get back up and you
Left.
fight hard. But
Right.
that's what he's planning to do.
Alrighty.
The U.S. Supreme Court will issue a ruling.
Balance set.
Okay, let's
Back
go over to
to the
FM,
presidential
which on this
race.
type of radio we do by turning off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets as the station in my area for a quick test.
Experience 4th of July week.
En Familia Radio.
So there's our 5 FM station presets. Okay, let's try the 8-Track. Now on this system, we want to turn the radio down quite a bit before we insert an 8-Track because I got the output pretty hot. Nice bright sounding 8-Track. Blank spot there. Okay, we're coming up on an automatic track change, so let's make sure it automatically changes tracks. There's our track change. And there's a song continuing. Alrighty, pull the tape out. Radio comes right back. Okay, that concludes the test. Everything's working. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to start packing some units here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You've just seen what I can do to your ancient Delco system. I can add FM. We can also do Bluetooth, USB, HD radio. And every job gets an aux input at no additional charge in my shop. So this comes from Mark in Newcastle, Indiana. Thank you so much, Mark, for your business from the middle of the country. Thank you guys for watching, listening, and we'll see you next time.